おはようございます。
Okay, good morning.
私の名前はリファイです。インドネシアから来ました。一緒の建築祭協業協力組合です。よろしくお願いします。
Thank you very much. So his name is Irfai, and he has been working here for quite a few years, and he is part of the entire plant and running the show here. Moite, one more thing. How long have you been here? どのぐらい勤めてます？
ここは1年ぐらいですね。
So he's been here for about 1 year. And how old are you? 何歳ですか
21歳ですね。
He's 21. Okay, good. And do you like Izena? Izena どうですか
1年はめっちゃ楽しいですね。
He loves the place. Very good. And what are your hobbies? 趣味は何ですか
趣味はサッカーすることですね。サッカー。
Soccer. Oh, he loves playing soccer. So he loves soccer and he loves his sea grapes. And he is going to take us around and show us how the sea grapes are growing. Okay, ではお願いします。
ぶどう見学していいですか？
はい。
はい。
Thank you very much.
行
Okay.
きます。
Okay, so let's go this way. おはようございます。Good morning. 見学させていただきます。おはようございます。
このぶどうはあれ美味しくですね。
Okay, so this is how they grow them on these nets in here.
美味しくの時は1ヶ月ぐらいですね。
Okay, so they grow them here for about 1 month. これ1ヶ月。
1ヶ月。
Okay, so this length here is 1 month. So they're going to grow longer now. So this is basically the juvenile stage of these growing in this tank here. The water's kind of
あれ
cool.
毎日餌あげましょう。
Oh, okay, so this is the food that they give them. It looks like pellets. これ何に入ってますか？
これ油とあれ
It's like a fat product, oil, fat. So they get all nice
商
and
品で
fat.
すね。
Oh, okay.
あれ
And all the good stuff they need. So yeah.
収穫は1ヶ月ですね。
Oh, okay.
毎日掃除してこないですね。
Oh, okay. So they clean them out every day. So they clean these tanks every day to make sure there's no impurifications through that. So yeah, and that's their food. So they're having breakfast now. Yeah. And he's just going to brush it over this. Okay, yeah. Oh, yatti? Okay. Oh, check them out. It feels good, man. It's like a carpet. It's like a plush pile carpet. It's super cool. 気持ちいいね。
気持ちいいですね。
Yeah, 元気ですね. They're really healthy. Looks really good. The water's kind of cool too. この水温は調整されてます？
あれ
これ何度ですかね？そのまま？
26度ですね。
Oh, okay, so it's kept it around 26 degrees. So we've been diving in about 28 degrees, so it actually slightly chilled the water, so it's in perfect conditions all year round. Yeah. Awesome.
あれ商品になりますよ。
Oh, okay, so these are the next part is where they're, this is the edible stage. Alright, so that's, now they're just cleaning them out. And normally when you also go to a restaurant in Japan, you'll see them in like fish tanks, and they'll just have them floating around like this, keeping them alive and keeping them healthy. If you look at, they're like a grape, right? So umibudon, so you look at them, they're like a grape, and inside the grape is like just full of nutrition, like amino acids and everything that the body needs. So these are a super highly nutritious product, and they taste great too. Even for people who don't really like seaweed, you would definitely like something like this. It's not too fishy. It's really easy to eat. I even like them. So yeah, okay, thank you. Okay, awesome.
じゃあ行きましょう。
Okay, so next stage, we've got all the ladies preparing all the... Alright, so we've just come back into the tanks here, and that was just the same as the other tank over here. We just got more production going on here. Check it out. Heaps of them, huh? Wow. Look at them all.
すごいですね。
すごいね。食べていいですか? Alright, he's going to let me eat one, so here we go. In Japanese we say, itadakimasu. Oh, straight from the salt water. That's beautiful now. Really nice. Oishii. Ah, good, good, good. Woo! them out. They're all buckets. They're all just mass production, huh? Oxygen tanks. This is where they blow oxygen. Oh, okay.
で、物騒に伝えますか。あれ、やり方はこんなに。
Okay, so this is where one of the final producing stages where they actually take him out of those last tanks, and he's going to.
エビが落ちます。
Oh, look, and there's all little small shrimp in there, and little whatever creatures that cling on to these plants. So he's just washing them out now, so you can see them all down in there, like little sea lice and sea bugs, things like that. Yeah, they're all shrimp, little baby shrimp. Check them out. Okay, and then he moves them on to the next tank and does it again. Oh wow, okay. He's going to do it again. Okay, so I'm just going to give these a bit of a wash through now and knock out all the small shrimp and the small animals that live. Check them out, they're all falling out. There they are, bouncing around now. There you go. That's a little shrimp that live in there. Check them out. Just alive. So it's a full-on biosphere that they've got growing on here. They've got going on here. Epic. So this is how natural and healthy everything is. Everything's alive. Everything's like, you know, full-on biodiversity right here in Okinawa. Epic. So he's just done that one. He's going to wash that one out again. Okay, so it goes through 2 stages. Okay, so what he's done now, they just cleaned out all the small animals through those 2 tanks, and they're going to pass them through to this one now. So it should be pretty much one of the final stages of being for production and heading up to the kitchen table. Put them on top of these guys. Alright, so this is one of the other stages as well. We'll try it again. So it's just in salt water, so it was really salty. Normally they'll wash them off, and you have, normally when we eat them it's with a bit of soy sauce, so they're beautiful. Oh man, that's so rich and so nice. He's eating, he has this every day, so he looks healthy too, yeah? Genki ne? He's very healthy. Good stuff, okay.
魚とピはこなしね。
Strain him out. I don't know what he's doing there, but he's putting through the washer.
はい、ちょっと待ってください。
So he's just washed out all the seawater. Okay, so this is the soy sauce that we put them in. It's a little bit of a thin kind, and we're going to try some of it now, so let's go again. Here we go. And again we say, itadakimasu. Bon appetit. Thank you. Very nice. Wonderful. Would you like to try some, cameraman? What do you guys think? It's fresh is best, yeah.
ありがとうね。Those are epic.
Alright, thank you very much.
また一緒に来てください。
Okay, わかりました。ありがとうございます。Thank you.
Thank you. ありがとう。ありがとうございますね。でも。
ありがとうございます。お願いします。